Right. Welcome to another module. In this module, we are going to learn everything about scalable component. We'll understand what a component is, how to create one, how to create a variant of the component, what are component instances, what are component properties, such as the text property, boolean property, instance swap, and how to create an interactive component. These are the core part of a design system. A design system consists of multiple components. Even if you're not working as a design systems designer, you'll be all the time using the component while designing the user interfaces, either creating your own component or leveraging the existing design component from the design system. So it's very important for you to understand the how to create a component, why to create a component, and the fundamentals of it. At the end of the module, you're gonna feel confident designing your own component. You learn about how to create variants, and then you'll master the component property. I'll see you in another lesson.